Stop scrolling. I bet you don't know these 3 wild animal facts. Stick around, or your dog will unfollow you. Fact number 1. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. Basically, they're living the college dream. Fact number 2. A duck's quack actually does echo. Scientists checked because apparently that's how we use taxpayer money. Fact number 3. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. 40 minutes. Meanwhile, I can't even hold my breath through one cold shower. Crazy, right? Smash that like button if you just learned something your science teacher never told you. And subscribe for more fast facts that make you sound smart at parties.